How to get MS Word in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can download and install MS Word in your Android device. So in order to download the MS Word, simply launch your Google Play Store, and in your Google Play Store, once you are inside the search option, you will need to simply search for MS Word and then hit the search bar. Now from here you will see this application, that is the Microsoft Word by Microsoft Corporation. So it is around 88 megabytes. Now in order to download and install this, click onto this install button and you can see that it has been successfully downloaded and installed in seconds. So simply click onto this open button and now you can see we are inside Microsoft Word. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.